Bay windows are a timeless architectural feature that brings beauty, functionality, and value to any home. In Meridian, where homeowners appreciate well-designed spaces that maximize comfort and style, bay windows are an excellent investment. These windows not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of a home but also significantly improve natural lighting and create the illusion of more space. If you're considering upgrading your home's windows, here's how bay windows can transform your living environment. Maximizing natural light. One of the most notable benefits of bay windows is their ability to flood a room with natural light. Unlike traditional flat windows, bay windows consist of 3 panels that extend outward from the exterior wall. This unique design allows light to enter from multiple angles, brightening up a room more effectively than a standard window. In a city like Meridian, where sunny days are frequent, bay windows help homeowners take full advantage of natural daylight. Increased sunlight not only enhances the overall ambiance of a home but also contributes to energy savings. With more natural light streaming in, you can reduce your reliance on artificial lighting during the day, lowering electricity bills and promoting a more energy-efficient home. Creating the illusion of more space. Bay windows are known for their ability to make any room feel larger and more open. The outward extension of these windows creates additional space, both visually and functionally. This feature is particularly beneficial for smaller rooms or homes with limited square footage, as it provides an airy, expansive feel without requiring major renovations. By installing a bay window, homeowners in Meridian can enjoy a cozy nook that can be used in various ways. Whether it's a reading corner, a window seat, or a space for indoor plants, the extra area adds charm and practicality to a room. This makes bay windows an excellent choice for living rooms, kitchens, and even bedrooms where a more open feel is desired. Enhancing home aesthetics. A home with bay windows instantly stands out with its elegant, sophisticated design. Whether your home has a modern or traditional aesthetic, bay windows complement various architectural styles. They add character to both the interior and exterior of a home, creating a visually appealing focal point. Many homeowners in Meridian use bay windows as a stylish way to display decorative elements. From cozy cushions and throw pillows to seasonal decorations and indoor plants, the additional space provides a perfect spot to showcase personal style. Additionally, the large panes of glass offer uninterrupted views of the outdoors, bringing in the beauty of your landscaping and surroundings. Improving ventilation and airflow. Unlike standard flat windows, bay windows offer superior ventilation options. Since they consist of multiple panels, homeowners can choose configurations that allow for increased airflow. Casement or double-hung bay windows, for example, can be opened on the sides to promote cross-ventilation, keeping indoor spaces fresher and more comfortable. In Meridian's warm climate, having good airflow inside your home is crucial. Proper ventilation not only improves indoor air quality but also helps regulate temperature, reducing the need for excessive air conditioning. By strategically placing bay windows, you can enjoy a naturally cooler and more comfortable living space year-round. Increasing property value. installing bay windows is not just a design upgrade, it's a smart investment that can increase your home's market value. Prospective buyers are often drawn to homes with bay windows because of their aesthetic appeal, functional benefits, and energy efficiency. If you ever decide to sell your home, having bay windows can make your property more attractive to buyers and potentially lead to a higher resale price. Conclusion: for homeowners in Meridian looking to enhance their living spaces, bay windows offer numerous benefits. From maximizing natural light and creating the illusion of more space to improving ventilation and adding aesthetic charm, these windows are a valuable addition to any home. Whether you're renovating or building a new home, consider installing bay windows to enjoy a brighter, more open, and stylish living environment. If you're ready to upgrade your home with beautiful bay windows, reach out to local window installation experts in Meridian to explore your options and bring your vision to life.